Making cool shit isn't about being the most talented person in the room. It's not about perfect lines, aesthetics, or how clean your feed looks. It's about intensity. Brutal, uncompromising taste. Let me explain. You ever feel like you've got vision, like you know exactly what good looks like, but for some reason, nothing you make hits the way you imagined? The ideas are there. The taste is there. You can picture it in your head clear as day, but when it finally comes out, it feels mid, off, almost cool, but not quite. Whether you're trying to build a brand, launch a drop, write a book, design a room, throw an event, whatever it is, you keep second-guessing yourself. You tweak it to death, overthink the colors, rethink the message. You try to make it look right instead of making it feel real. But here's the truth. Cool shit is never made by people who play it safe. It's made by people who commit. People who go all in on the weirdest, loudest, most specific parts of themselves and build from that. The best stuff doesn't come from perfection. It comes from obsession, from conviction, from I don't care if this flops. I needed to make this. Look at the Porsche 911. It wasn't built to impress everyone. It was built with a relentless obsession for driving feel. A weird, almost irrational commitment to keeping the engine in the back, to keeping the soul untouched even after decades. And that's why it's iconic, not because it checked every box, but because it refused to. Or take Tyler, the creator. His music, his fashion, his brand, none of it fits the mold. It's chaotic, awkward, colorful, loud, and unapologetically him. He didn't ask, will people like this? He asked, is this me fully turned up? That's what made people obsessed. If it doesn't make you feel something while you're making it, how is it ever supposed to make us feel anything when we see it? You don't need more polish. You don't need to learn 10 more tools. You need honesty, volume, and maybe a little chaos. And that brings us to a simple two-step formula for making cool shit people actually love. Step 1, make it for you first. Don't create something to impress the algorithm or your peers. Create what you wish existed. Create the thing you would have killed to see 5 years ago. That's where all the edge lives, all the originality, all the power. When something is so you that it almost feels embarrassing, that's when you're close to something real. Step 2, turn it up, then turn it up again. Whatever part of the work feels alive, the detail that makes your chest buzz, exaggerate it, push it further. If it feels a little too raw or too bold, that's probably the signal to go harder. Because safe doesn't stick, clean doesn't spread. People fall in love with what they feel, not what they're told is good. So if your work isn't hitting yet, maybe it's not because you're not good enough. Maybe it's because you're still trying to impress when you should be trying to express. Make something that bleeds. Make something that shakes. Make something real. That's what makes it cool, and that's what makes it yours.